Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I just gotta give a shout out in this video to the girl who keeps making videos about me. And a shout out to the ones making fake Instagram accounts and talking shit to me in my DMs. You're cool. It's a cool thing to do. And also a shout out to the ones that are in my DMs saying good things and the ones that defend me in the comments on YouTube. You guys are awesome. Seriously, I love you guys. I love my haters too, because any interaction that I get on YouTube, whether it's, you know, like a good view or like a hate view or a thumbs up or a thumbs down, any interaction is good. One's not rated higher than the other. So here's a little tip. If you really don't like me, don't watch my shit, because you're supporting me by watching me. So there's a little tip. Okay, first question. Okay, you already asked me one question about bundles. Oh guys, bundle video is coming soon. I might actually film it after this video. I'm going to tell you guys how I sell bundles. I sell big bundles. I've sold huge bundles. My biggest bundle had 37 things. I've sold a bundle with 25 things, 26 things. I am going to make a video coming soon. Like I said, probably going to film it after this. Okay, question. I found a gorgeous cable knit chunky cardigan sweater, probably vintage. It has 3 very stitchable holes. Should I just disclose, or should I stitch it up and disclose the repairs? What do you think would yield a higher profit? Keep in mind I'm only $1 into this item. Thanks for your continuing help and support. Never miss a video. Thank you, Lori. Okay, so you know, I don't repair things. I'm not a although I do have a new project that I'm in the works of doing. It's very exciting. I don't want to give too many details, but it has to do with like upcycling things, if you will. But yeah, I don't know, if I find something at the store that has like a hole in it, depending on what it is, I probably won't purchase it. I don't like take things home to repair them. If I buy something that has a stain on it, I either disclose it or I end up bleaching it or tie-dyeing it. So yeah, I mean, what would yield a higher profit margin? That's really hard to say. I mean, I would think that someone would rather have an item that's been repaired as opposed to something that they have to repair themselves. That's just my opinion. But again, it's hard to say. I feel like it's like personal preference, so I don't know. Next question. Hi, I understand that Poshmark is your favorite platform, but what is your top selling platform? Thank you. So not only is Poshmark my favorite platform, it is also my top selling platform as well. Yeah, I talked about that in a previous video. Someone asked me the platforms that I sell on. Oh shit, my battery is flashing. All right, hold on, guys. I'm not prepared. All right, hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So what was I saying? Not only is Poshmark my favorite, it's also my top selling. How many times did I just say that? Did I just repeat it? Okay, next question. Off topic. Do you have any videos about ratings and Poshmark removing ambassador status? I don't. Removing ambassador status. Oh. So I know that there are qualifications that you have to meet to become a Poshmark ambassador, which honestly, I'll link a video talking about being a Poshmark ambassador. I really don't, you know, the title is just kind of like a cutesy title. I don't really think that there are perks. You know, they give you like first access to Posh Fest tickets or an extra entry in a contest that they're having. Like, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't bring more sales. It doesn't bring more traffic. I don't know. I mean, yeah. So let me just tell you guys briefly, to be a Poshmark ambassador, you have to have 5,000 community shares, 5,000 self shares. You have to have shared 50 new Poshers closets. You have to have a minimum of 50 listings. You have to have 15 sales. Average purchase rating has to be 4.5 stars or more. Average ship time has to be less than 3 days, and you have to have given at least 1 love note. I don't know how. You have to have a minimum of 50 listings. So if you don't have 50 listings, do you have to have 50 at all time? Is that what that means? Yeah, that must be what that means, right? And then, yeah, your average purchase rating, that could obviously go down. Your ship time could go down. So yeah, I guess, you know, you could meet the qualifications and then not meet them. I've never heard them taking away the ambassador status. I don't know. So I don't know anything about that. If any of you guys do, comment down below if it's happened to any of you guys. The last question. Why can't Poshmark do something about mistagged items? It's so annoying when I search for something and then like all kinds of other brands pop up in the search. So yeah, that happens. That happens a lot. I find that when I search for like Lululemon specifically, it'll come up with like Old Navy friggin' leggings or Dan skin leggings, you know, like the cheaper leggings. That's annoying. People are obviously doing it so they can get their shit seen. Again, that's technically against Poshmark terms of service, but we all know not everyone obeys by Poshmark's rules. They like to do their own thing, even though it's Poshmark's platform. They think that they can do, you know, whatever they want. It's kind of like going to a job and being like, I'm not going to follow your rules. I'm just going to do whatever I want. I think that my way is more efficient and easier, so I'm going to do it my way. It's a little different. You don't work for Poshmark, but you are using their platform. So anyway, yeah, that is annoying. It does happen often. And when you are a Poshmark ambassador, you'll get a notification every once in a while that'll say, hey, do you want to help keep Poshmark in tip-top shape? And all that means is you go through listings and you give your opinion as to whether or not they should be removed. You know, they ask like, oh, do you think this is a replica? Do you think this is a mistagged brand? Which is kind of silly because, like, I don't know if something's a replica. Like, I don't know every high-end item out there. I don't know what to look for in like all these replicas, and I feel like the majority of people don't know that either. So I think that's kind of silly for them to do, especially when they have the Poshmark Authenticate system thing. I know that's for items over $500, but still, it seems kind of silly to just throw it out there to a bunch of random ass people that probably don't know a replica from a fake. Like, the majority of people probably don't know. One of the questions that they ask on there is, you know, is this item a mistagged brand? And that's how you can kind of report it. You can always do that when you see an item that, you know, is mistagged. But yes, I do agree that it's annoying, and I wish that there was a better way for Poshmark to filter that out. Although it's not possible, because you get people just flat out lying, being like, oh yeah, these Old Navy leggings are Lululemon leggings. And again, they're just using it to get their items in search results. So I don't know. I feel like that's going to be like a forever problem, unfortunately. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.